Hello, Sam. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Do you want to practice English with me?
Yes, I'd love to. I need to improve my speaking.
Me too. Sometimes I make mistakes when I speak. Do you?
Yes, I make mistakes too. But it's okay, we learn from mistakes.
Right. What do you find the most difficult in English?
I think speaking is hard. I understand a lot but can't speak well.
Me too. How can we get better?
Maybe we should speak English every day.
Good idea. Do you watch English movies?
Yes, I watch, but sometimes it's hard to understand.
You can try with subtitles. It helps me a lot. Do you?
Yes, I do. It's very helpful. Do you read English books?
I try, but I read slow. Do you read books?
I read small stories in English. It's easier.
That's smart. Should we try to learn new words every day?
Yes, that's important. How do you remember new words?
I write them down and try to use them. And you?
I use flashcards. They are very useful. Do you use apps for learning?
Yes, I use language learning apps. They are fun. Do you?
I use them too. Which app do you like the most?
I like the one with games. It makes learning fun. What about you?
I like the app with speaking practice. It helps me speak better.
That sounds great. Should we practice speaking more?
Yes, let's do that. Do you want to start now?
Sure. Let's talk about our hobbies. What's your hobby?
I like painting. And you?
I enjoy playing the guitar. Is painting difficult?
Not really. It's fun. Is playing the guitar hard?
It was hard at first, but I practice a lot. Do you speak English when you paint?
Sometimes I listen to English music. Do you speak English when you play the guitar?
Yes, I try to sing English songs. It's good practice.
That's a great idea. Do you make mistakes when you sing?
Yes, but I learn from them. Do you learn new words from songs?
Yes, music helps me remember new words. Do you have English-speaking friends?
A few. Speaking with them helps. And you?
I have some too. We practice together. Do you feel shy when you speak English?
Sometimes, yes. But I try to be brave. What about you?
I'm shy too, but I'm getting better. Should we speak English every day?
Yes, Let's do that. Practice makes perfect.
Agreed. Will you be my English practice partner?
Of course, Sam. Let's help each other improve.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm happy to have a friend like you.
Me too, Sam. Let's make learning English fun.
Yes, let's do it. We can succeed together.
Good morning, Taylor. How are you?
Morning, Jamie. I'm well, thanks. And you?
I'm okay, thank you. Are you ready to practice English today?
Yes, I am. I want to get better at speaking.
Me too. I get nervous when I speak English. Do you?
Yes, I get nervous too. But we can help each other.
What part of English is hardest for you?
Listening is hard. Sometimes I don't understand people.
I understand. I have trouble with grammar. What helps you with listening?
I listen to English songs. It helps a bit. What helps you with grammar?
I do exercises online. It's a bit boring, but useful. Do you write in English?
I try to write a diary in English. It's hard but good practice. Do you write?
I write emails in English. It's scary but good practice. Should we try to speak only English now?
Yes, let's try. What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park. It was nice. How about you?
I cooked dinner. It was fun. Do you cook?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love it. It's relaxing. Do you have hobbies?
I like reading. Reading in English is hard, though. Do you read in English?
A little. I read simple books. It's slow but helpful. Do you watch TV in English?
Yes, I watch simple shows. They help me listen better. Do you watch TV in English?
I do, with subtitles. It helps me understand. Do you feel English is improving?
Slowly, yes. Speaking with you helps a lot. Do you feel more confident?
A little more each day. Practice is key. Should we learn new phrases together?
Great idea. We can use them in our next chat. Any phrases in mind?
How about phrases for ordering food? It could be useful.
That's perfect. We can practice that next time. Are you okay to meet tomorrow?
Yes, I look forward to it. It's good practice.
Me too. Let's keep encouraging each other.
Agreed. Together, we'll get better at English.
Thanks for being a great partner, Taylor.
Thank you too, Jamie. I'm glad we're doing this together. How's your English study going?
It's okay, but speaking is tough. How about you?
Same here. I get nervous speaking. Any tips?
What if we start practicing together?
Practice speaking every day?
Yes, how about 30 minutes daily?
Sounds good. What should we talk about?
Maybe start with our daily routines?
Good idea. Shall we correct each other's mistakes?
Yes, but let's be kind and supportive. Agreed?
Agreed. Do you think watching TV shows in English helps?
Definitely. Have you tried any shows?
Not yet. Any recommendations?
How about Friends? It's fun and easy to understand.
Great, I'll start tonight. Do you listen to English music?
Yes, it helps with listening skills. You?
I should start. Any favorite artists?
Ed Sheeran. His lyrics are clear. What's your biggest challenge?
Pronunciation. Yours?
Phrasal verbs. They're confusing. How do you improve pronunciation?
I repeat after native speakers. And you, how do you deal with phrasal verbs?
I try to learn them in context. Do you use any apps?
Yes, Duolingo. Is it good for phrasal verbs?
It's okay, but I prefer real-life examples. Any book suggestions?
English Grammar in Use is great. Have you tried it?
Not yet, but I will. Do you write in English often?
I keep a diary. Helps with writing. You?
I write emails. Should we try writing to each other?
Good idea. In English only?
Yes, it'll be good practice. How's your vocabulary?
Needs improvement. Any tips?
Flashcards help me. Have you tried?
No, but I will. Do you think grammar is important?
Yes, but speaking fluently is my goal. You?
Same here. How do we make speaking less intimidating?
Maybe start by talking about familiar topics.
Like hobbies and interests?
Exactly. What's your favorite hobby?
Photography. Let's talk about that tomorrow?
Perfect. Do you feel shy speaking English?
Yes, especially in public. How do you overcome shyness?
Practice helps. The more I speak, the better I feel. What about English movies?
Love them. Do they improve your English?
Yes, especially with subtitles. Do you read in English?
I read news articles. What about you?
I enjoy novels. They're great for learning expressions. Do you think we'll be fluent soon?
With practice, yes. How do you stay motivated?
Setting small goals helps. What's your goal this week?
To speak without translating in my head. And yours?
To understand a TV show without subtitles. Shall we review our progress weekly?
That's a great idea. It'll keep us on track.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!